In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give access on Google Slides. We'll walk through this on a phone using the Google Slides app, and by the end, you'll confidently share your presentation with exactly the right people and the right permissions. First, open the Google Slides app on your phone. Make sure you're signed into the correct Google account, especially if you switch between personal and work profiles. A quick check now saves confusion later about who can see your file. Next, open the presentation you want to share. From the home screen, tap the file from your recent list or use the search bar at the top if you don't see it right away. Remember, sharing here applies to the entire presentation, not just a single slide. So pick the deck you want others to access. Once your presentation is open, look at the top menu bar and tap the share icon. It looks like a little person with a plus symbol. If the controls aren't visible, tap once on the screen to bring the top bar back. This opens the sharing panel where you'll control who gets access. In the sharing panel, type the email addresses of the people you want to add. As you type, you'll see suggestions based on your contacts. Tap to select the right one. Double-check spelling and domains so invites don't bounce. You can add multiple people here, separating them as you go. Next to each person's name, tap the small drop-down to set their access level. Choose Viewer if you want them to only see the slides without making changes. Choose Commenter if you'd like them to view and leave feedback in comments without editing your content. Choose Editor if they need full control, including changing text, images, layouts, and sharing with others. When in doubt, Commenter is a safe middle ground, and you can always adjust permissions later if someone needs more access. When everything looks right, tap the Send icon, which appears as a paper airplane. This sends the invitation and applies the permissions you selected. Recipients will get an email with a link to the presentation, and they can open it directly from Google Slides or Google Drive. If you ever need to change or remove someone's access, return to the same share icon, update the drop-down next to their name, and your changes will take effect immediately. That's it. Open the app, pick your presentation, add people, choose the right role, and send. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting.